This is my 2018 Infiniti Q50S with the VR30, the 3.0 twin turbo engine. And this video is about the Tanabe Strut Bar mount and whether or not it fits the VR30 models. And as you can see, it does. I installed it. It was pretty basic. It took me like about 30 minutes or so. And another question and one doubt I had whether or not this bar was compatible was with, you can see I have the Add W1 catch can. So as you can see, there is no interference there. And where I did had some interference, and it took me a while to get it relocated, was the AMS flex fuel sensor. It took some creativity. So what I had to do, I used the bracket. You can see it here, the bracket that holds down the AC line. I disconnected it from below, so you can see it here. It's not connected. And the bracket for the flex fuel sensor, it's still mounted there. I just, clocked it a little bit. It's supposed to be like this on the car, so I clocked it like this so it's not attached at the bottom. And I made sure that there was clearance in this area where the strut bar is. You can do that. This mounts on the AN fittings, they do swivel a little bit, so you can adjust them as you need. And for an extra level of security, I zip tied the bracket to the bottom of this line and to the top of this line. This is temporary for now. I don't know if I'm going to change it. If you have any recommendations or if you have done this yourself, and you had to relocate the flex fuel sensor, put it down in the comments and let me know. Thanks.